Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how fast you can actually change the times of posts. As you know, the content that we import is set at 9, 12, and 6. But if you want to change those times, you would just need to be on the calendar page. So on the left menu, click calendar, change to the week view, and then you can simply drag the posts to whatever time you would like to change them to, just like so. And currently they're on the half hour. We are working to make improvements to put them on the 15-minute. And also in the publishing tab in the post itself. So if you were to post this up and edit at a later date, you'll be able to change the time here. But for now, you can just change to the week view and drag them. So I hope this helps. Thanks.